Good morning, everybody. I hope all of you guys had a very Merry Christmas yesterday. No idea why the live stream wasn't really loading this morning. Hopefully Streamlabs isn't running into any problems or anything like that. But who do we have first in the chat today? We have got Old Rounder first in the chat. What's going on, Old Rounder? Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, Frank, Giovanni, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Serapico, what's going on, man? Giovanni, Dark Bro, Old Giovanni, Old Rounder, Dark Bro, Clay Bro, Dark Bro, Giovanni, Dark Bro, Giovanni. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. AMC currently sitting at $6.07. It is down 0.49% on the day today, and all-time lows. 593 all-time lows, touching 596 this morning, bouncing back just slightly. Shiba Inu coin down 2.5% today. Shib is sitting at 1062 at the moment. GameStop sitting at 1710, 0.82% higher today. Bitcoin, $42,330 on Bitcoin right there. Still down 2.60% on the day today, but above $40,000. Now let's see where this is. Yeah, definitely curling back over. We're going to have to see if it maintains levels above that $40,000 area. Major support at the $40,000 mark. So we got to keep that level in mind, but still right now doing very well at 42,000 plus. The NASDAQ performing phenomenally today. 15,050 points on the NASDAQ. AMC 608. GameStop 1713. Dogecoin 9.2 cents. Ethereum 22.20. I was hoping it was 22.22, but it's 22.20. Shiba Inu coin, 10.62. Bitcoin, 42,325. The SPY sitting at 474. QQQ, 410. Ladies and gentlemen, my goodness, dude. 410.47 is the all-time high. 410.06 is the current price. That's amazing, though. Hitting all-time highs in the market here. Mullen Auto, $9.81, down 0.30% on the day today, and all-time lows, $6.95. Literally can't even see the chart anymore because the price action is so horrible on Mullen Auto, we can't even see the chart here. So, sad to see on that one, but I literally cannot zoom in any further. Mullen Auto, destroyed, man. Sundial sitting at $157, Netflix $488, Highcraft Mining $220, MPW $489, Tesla $256. We've got Amazon $153 and Apple $193. We're gonna watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, see if it curls over or bounces up. Got to keep our eyes on that one. Giovanni dropped the link for you. There you go. Awesome, and All Rounder won by a technicality. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes when I click schedule the stream, it schedules the stream, but it schedules two streams. And I don't know if you guys see thumbnails on both of those streams or not, but I see a thumbnail on one, and I just see the bro logo on the other one. So if you guys do see two streams like that, I always end the one that does not have the thumbnail on it, and then just make this one, the one that's supposed to go live there. Not a clue why sometimes I click the schedule stream button or whatever, and Streamlabs decides to schedule two streams for the exact same time, but it does that, and I just delete the one that doesn't have a thumbnail. I will tell the story when Clay is done after the market entrance. Let's hear it, Dark Pro. Let's hear it. No thumbnail on one, black screen on the other, which is yeah. So that's what I see. I see the thumbnail on one, and then the other one has the no thumbnail. It's just black screen with the bro logo. Is that what you see, or you see a different one? Because if you guys see it different, let me know. Because that's not how I see it. I have a question. I'm a bit worried on Bitcoin ETF token. Did research, was a bit concerned on the address that they have at the bottom of their site in Singapore. Giovanni, let's check it out, man, because I've actually seen a lot of people, and dude, I would be just as concerned. So let's see what they got going on there. If I still have their website open. I saw a lot of people complaining about that on Twitter as well. So let's see what they have. If I do still have the website up here. Let's see what we got. Site can't be reached. Bitcoin ETF token.com. Yes. Well, what if I get rid of the about? I can't even pull up the website. What about their Twitter? Was it this one? I think it was this one, right? Ah, come on, dude. Now I can't even see any of the... Because I'm not logged in. I gotta log in on this Google Chrome here. Yeah, dude, I don't... Giovanni, are you able to pull their website up? I can't pull their website up for some reason. I can't pull it. Dude, I'm going to be absolutely ticked off, man, if they had me do a promo video, a sponsored video for these guys, and then these guys just, like, dipped out. I'm going to be ticked off. Let's see. So I was at Walmart the other day buying my groceries, and a lady couldn't afford to get hers for her and her kid, so I paid for it, and she said, "Thank you so much," and I told her, "You're welcome," on behalf of Honorarium. I like it. And she said, "What's that?" And then we got into a discussion about crypto, and she said, "I will do everything I can to spread the word. Honorarium already getting opportunities to help people." Dark Bro, that is incredible, man. That is absolutely awesome. And very, very nice. I say rug, you say pull. Rug, pull. Dude, that's just the dumb thing too, though, man. You know, it's if that's what happened. I don't know if that's what happened or if people are so mad about it right now that they're just going out there and overwhelming the servers or what the deal is. But, dude, if you do a $5 million pre-sale and then you rug people on $5 million, that is absolutely insane, dude. That is absolutely insane. No time, but I saw that. Yo, bros, what's going on? Bender, good morning to you. Also, Netcrow said it was Netcrow. Netcrow. I don't know what next. Yeah, Giovanni, man, I don't know. At this point, if I can't even pull up their website, their Twitter still works, which is one thing. But dude, if you can't even pull up their website, man, that is a very shady. I mean, it's not secure there, Bitcoin ETF, but I can't even pull up their website anymore. Their Twitter still works, but I can't even pull up their website, dude. You know whose website's not going to go down is Honorarium's website. Honorarium's website isn't going anywhere with its 80... Is it 84? Or does this have to... I think something's going on with my internet today, man. I think the same reason that I had trouble loading the live stream. This is 96 holders. Holy smokes. Dark Bro, man, growing. Dark Bro growing over the Christmas holiday, that's for sure. Let's see where Honorarium is here. I was looking up Solana tokens earlier. All right, well, Honorarium is up 5% on the day so far, but it is down from that $100,000 market cap that it so much loves. Honorarium is currently sitting at a $74,000, almost $75,000 market cap, pulling back just slightly from those recent gains, but seems to be finding a new level of support in this area right here and already bouncing so far today. So just watch out that it did fall through that level there. I don't know if everybody else is going to be concerned or not, but it does have a ascending trend line potentially pulling up from this area right here. I'm not going to throw 1,000 lines on this screen, but we are going to keep these two to see if it gets back up into that channel right there. Good morning. Good morning to you as well, Pudgy. Hopefully you're in here. I googled it. I googled their address, and it's a little office near a mall. Okay, where'd you find their address, Giovanni? Where did you find their address? Was it, like, do you still have access to their site or no? Good morning. I hope everyone had a nice Christmas. Mr. Enormous, I did have a very nice Christmas. I hope all of you guys had an awesome Christmas, man. I got to spend time with the entire family. It was very, very nice, and I hope all of you guys did that as well. Roulette wheel, 96 what? But I want it if it's 96 something good. Down a little bit. We had a fairly decent sell-off. Yeah, I see that we're down. I didn't see who sold anything. Oh yeah, so somebody took some profits or something here. Somebody had a decent 1,054 sell-off. When was that? Christmas Eve. Well, dude, they were probably going out there and trying to buy some Christmas presents on Christmas Eve, taking a little bit of a profit there. Yeah, that is a decent sell-off. Sells outweighing buys over the last couple of days here with a $1,000 sale. It's a pretty big sale. But guys, good news is, man, $1,000 sale doesn't even dump the price of the coin anymore. Think about it. If you would have had a $1,000 sale on the very first day, very first week, you probably would have ripped lower and basically dumped off. You guys can now eat $1,000 sales on honorarium, no problem. Okay, so Net Crypto said it was a scam, showed how it was, showed the address, then I looked it up, and it was in a little office near a mall in Singapore. The address was at the bottom of the site, but no, I can't pull up the site. Yeah, dude, that's looking absolutely horrible, man. That is looking absolutely horrible. All right, so Net Crypto, very soon. Do I even have the contract address pulled up anymore? I don't even know if I have the contract address pulled up anymore. Bitcoin, yeah, I looked up too many stupid tokens over the weekend. Dude, and look at these. I know, so I was doing a lot of searching for these Solana tokens over the weekend, and this is going to show you just how important tokens like Honorarium and these other coins are that have no intentions of rugging or anything like that. Look at this one here. This one here, I was watching it Saturday night, maybe? I think it might have been Saturday night. Could have been Friday night. I don't know. But, dude, this token right here ripped up. Must have been this day. So what is this? December 23rd. Saturday. Yeah. This token ripped up to like a $800,000 market cap. Or maybe $1 million market. I saw it when it was at $800,000. And then it's currently sitting at $18,000. Dude, if you would have got into this token based on that hype there the first day, $18,000 from almost, it was $800,000 when I was watching it. $800,000 market cap. The next one, JB threw it in the Discord when I was looking at all these little tokens. Didn't get into it, but Nuts on the Tree or Nuts on the Table is another one here. Dude, Nuts on the Table, they were buying this one like crazy, okay? JB pointed it out, and I'm sitting there looking at it. Look at this. I was actually watching it. I think JB may have mentioned it like right in here, in this area or this area. Not exactly sure. When I was watching these coins. Dude, look at this. Phenomenal action, right? Going up like crazy, getting volume from somewhere. And they ripped this coin all the way up to a penny. And then from there, it is tanked all the way back down to 4 zeros and a 7.6. Guys, this is almost Shiba Inu coin prices right now. With 4 zeros, and it had touched a penny. This one, I don't remember what the market cap was on this one, but it could have been close to $1 million. Back down to 7,000. I mean, think about that. Like, Honorarium has maintained roughly a $100,000 market cap this entire time. But they came in here, they bought into it, and then they sold off. Now, I don't know if this is because look, this was very stagnant for a while, and then they began to buy in and rip. I don't know if they're going to try and manipulate this price back up or not, but what I do know is this coin is basically worthless at this point. 514 holders right here, back down to a $7,000 market cap. So, you know, just because Solana is doing phenomenally, even with down to like 15 cents, 14 cents now. Dog with hat, man. Even it's down from where it was, ripping higher from like literally nothing to 30 plus cents. I don't know if this is going to load right or not, but it's all the way down to 14 cents now. Lost 50% from its highs there. So it is absolutely crazy what these new and what these meme coins have going on. What do we have here? Oh my gosh, dude, hold on. First of all, Pat is in the chat. Oh my goodness. I gotta turn the volume up. I didn't hear any of that come over. Patrick, 14 months, bro. Oh snap, dilly dilly. Patrick is in the chitilly. I don't know if that comes with an authorized hydration, but it does right now. Pat, thank you very much for 14 months, bro. Pat, thank you very much for 10 green names. They are still going on the screen right now. DT 2024 got a green name. The franchise got a green name. Brian Searing got... Dude, everybody's green now. Brian Searing got a green name. Falling Down Farms got a green name. Indubitably got a green name. Sean Guerrero got a green name. Kraken got a green name. Get Stuff got a green name. Alexis got a green name. Jesse Trinidad got a green name. Boom, boom, boom. Pat coming in for the first time in a while, and he is coming in hot. Pudgy is right on that one, man. Yes, we'll look up Beam in a second there, DT 2024, man. We'll look it up in a second. Dropping it like it's hot, Pat, bro. Absolutely, man. Dropped internet connection. Pat coming in and just showing some massive love. Look at this, man. TDF Blast still got a great name, and everybody else in here's green. What is going on, man? Said it before, I'll say it again. People love buying dumb things. They don't care about being smart with their money. Why would something like Honorarium, or why would you buy something like Honorarium when it's trying to actually make a difference instead of chasing something you know is going to be a rug? Yeah, I have no idea. Dark Bro, man, I think it's the allure, right? I think it's the allure of these massive gains. So you truly could have made, when I was watching Nuts on the Table, right? When I was watching this one right here, you actually could have made some decent money from when JB announced it if you were willing to get out, right? If you were willing to get out. Because I'm pretty sure it was in this area at 001, and you could have 10x up to 1 cent right there. So there were some massive gains that took place. But then, dude, literally all of it destroyed. Does this show market cap? I don't know if Dex Tools shows market cap on here. Max 014, yeah. I don't know if you can graph the market cap on Dex Tools or not. But I know that this coin was rocking that night, and then literally everybody sold off of it, dude. To me, that is absolutely wild. And then look, this is the major sell-off that Honorarium has here. Like, this is the major sell-off. It's still absolutely trying. I know it's got a lot less liquidity, but look at this market cap, dude. $75,000, looking very strong. Great job. Shut up, Clay. Important stuff going on here. There's some very important stuff going on here right now. Pudgy, absolutely. Howdy, y'all. Doing great. Forgot I had the day off and freaked out when I saw the time because I had turned my alarm off. Pat, man, congratulations on finally getting a day off, dude. If anybody deserves a day off, it is Pat. This dude works way too much. Pat, man, thank you very much for the green names. Thank you very much for being in here. Pat saying, congratulations to all the new green names. May your futures be bright and your finances ever green. I should have filled this up, man. Who knew Pat was coming in here today? Thank you very much for the authorized hydration, Pat. Pat, you should have an incorrect size sweater coming to your house probably today or tomorrow. I just wanted to point that out there. You will have another one coming, but very sorry that you've got an incorrect size on its way right now. Well, Pat, thank you very much for that super chat. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Absolutely love it, man. And it's good to have Pat in here. Pat is... I haven't been able to say Pat's name too often in a live stream, except for on Fridays, right? Keep your friends close and your dogs closer. Kenneth. Yeah, that's probably pretty good advice, man. That's true, but that liquidity is locked and it isn't going anywhere. And Dark Bro, that's probably the most important thing, man. If you guys want to check out Honorarium, check out Honorarium. Thanks for the green, James Taylor. Absolutely, man. So the Bitcoin ETF pay-you-click, because I saw almost every YouTuber promote them. So Giovanni, it wasn't. So theoretically, I don't exactly know how it works. It wasn't directly Bitcoin ETF token, but it's like a marketing agency, right? And as far as I know, so the marketing agency is the one that emailed me, and whichever ones I did recently, Bitcoin ETF token, the Bitcoin Mind Tricks, Telegram, the Telegram Casino, TG Casino, the Sponge token, and Meme Combat. The marketing agency said, look, we want you to do a video on each one of these. All you need to do is simply walk through the website, show people how to navigate through the website, and we will pay you. So, yes. I mean, I don't know if it came directly from Bitcoin ETF token, right? But it came from the marketing agency that wanted a video on, I believe it was 5. I believe it was 5, not 4. Videos. So, yeah, I mean, it was a sponsored video to walk through their website for Bitcoin ETF token. Did you see Kadena pump hard this week? I've seen everything, but I have not specifically looked up Kadena. Mr. Stickbeater! Thank you very much for the super chat. Stickbeater says, I had a hot dog for Christmas yesterday. Oh, did you? Did you take it and dip that hot dog in your favorite dip? And when you were done dipping it in your favorite dip, you shoved it? Stig, man, thank you very much for the hot dog. Moji coming in hot as well. Hey, bro, poll, please. J-Bones versus Moji in fantasy football finals. Who wins? Well, I'm going to take a look at that one real quick. We will do a very quick poll on that. Where's my thing? This one. Start a poll. Yes. Okay. Okay. Start the poll. Let me know who you guys think is going to win the Fantasy Football League right there. Moji says he wants a poll. Is it going to? And don't let that influence your decision-making process right there. But Moji would like to know if J-Bones or Moji in Fantasy Football Finals, who wins? Is it Moji? Is it J-Bones? Let's figure it out right there. Pat says you are all. Oh, Giovanni says if they did pay you, did they pay you in their tokens or money? It was in USD Tether. So it was in Tether. They did not pay it in their tokens. And as far as I know, dude, like I don't think that so, you know, with that marketing agency or whatever, here's how I assume it works based on my interaction over like the last 2 weeks is that those tokens, they do their pre-sales and stuff. They hire a marketing agency to go out there and just blast emails to everybody who's got Twitter accounts, everybody who's got YouTube accounts, and so on. And then they basically keep some of the commission for themselves. The marketing agency does, and they split the rest of the budget with people who are willing to do videos, Twitter posts, and so on. So they paid in USD Tether, and it was not in the Bitcoin ETF token. I actually don't think that they had any Bitcoin ETF token to be able to pay out until the pre-sale would have been over with. So, yeah, it was Tether, and it was Tether for all of them, all the videos that were sponsored over the last week. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Richard. You're all welcome, but I can't take the credit for it. I'm just stewarding what has been given unto me. Patrick, man, thank you very much for all of the green names, for all of the cheer, for making everybody's entire year with that green name. I've never had someone to mention my name in a live stream. I don't have any friends, but when I come into your live stream, I feel like I have thousands of friends. Well, James, I don't know if really, man, I mean, thousands might be a little much. Definitely 39 people. Definitely 39, dude. If you want to consider yourself a bro, man, you are absolutely a bro. James, it's a fact, dude. You know, I don't know where everybody comes from in here. I don't know if you guys got a million friends yourselves. You probably have more friends than I do. But when it comes to the bros, dude, you are absolutely in good company. Anybody else out there think that James is a bro, man? Anybody else out there think that James does have some friends? At least 39 of them in the stream right now. James, man, very glad to have you. And you always got a friend in us, man. You always got a friend in us. J-Bones says, Taylor, you're a bro, you have friends, baby. J-Bones, man, I like it. Do they all have the same address that marketing asked you to sell? Sorry if I... As far as the physical location? Oh, I don't know, dude. You can go through and... I don't know if the physical address was the same on those. I know, however, that like that sponge token's been out for almost a full year. So I don't think that they're like all of these places are related, because I know that and no, dude, get as nosy as you want, right? As far as I know, that sponge token is just, it's the old sponge, because what you were doing there is going in and bridging your V1 to V2. So that token, I mean, it was not a rug. It pumped up back when Pepe pumped up. And then when Pepe dumped off, it dumped off as well. And they're going over and simply bridging their V1 to V2. So I don't think that all of those tokens were related. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think all of those tokens were related. But if you're talking about the address, yeah, like where the marketing agency had the same wallet address, if that's what you're talking about. But as far as like physical location being a little thing next to a mall, I don't know about that part. Let's see. Well, I did talk with Elon Musk the other day. Dark Bro, very good on that one, man. My 8-ball says Moji. Well, Moji might be winning that one. Guys, vote real quick, because I'm catching back up to the bottom of the chat right here, and this is about to, cuts my line of vision off at the bottom of the chat. Back to work. Moji. Good deal, man. Clay, do you think Shib whales are done with the development teams, complete poor execution and BS? Will they manipulate the market and dump it, get their money back? Ralph. Most likely, yes. Okay? Most likely, yes. But I don't think that, at least in my opinion, right? I don't think that the whales are necessarily 100% concerned with what the development team is doing. I think that the whales are more concerned about what the overall market is doing and like what the overall community is doing with each specific coin. So, for example, I'm sure the whales are annoyed by all of these developer promises and you know, burns and then not burning and stuff like that. I'm sure they're just as annoyed as everybody else. But I think that they're more committed and more focused on, well, during the next cycle, yes, they are going to dump off. During the next cycle, if Shiba Inu coin 2x's, 3x's, 4, 5, 10x's to get back up to those all-time highs, they will be taking their profits. Because, dude, when you're talking about whales, right, at least the definition that a lot of whale tracker platforms have and blockchain tracker platforms have is transactions over $100,000. So, dude, if you're all of a sudden starting to talk about grabbing $100,000 and seeing it 5x, you're sitting on $500,000. Or watching it 10x, you're sitting on $1 million. They will be taking their profits at those levels. So, I do think they get a little bit annoyed, but I think that they're more heavily focused on the overall market as opposed to just the development team there. Hi, Clayton. El Salvador is getting ready to start selling Bitcoin volcano bonds. Jake, I don't know what a volcano bond is, man. I don't know what a volcano bond is. All right, let's take this off the screen. We got 25 votes. Who did you guys vote for in winning? Ooh, very even. If you guys want 5 seconds to vote, Moji taking the cake on that one with 56% of the votes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ending bowl. Moji walks away with 56% of the yes votes there. I like it, Moji. Congratulations. You could be the fantasy football winner. Thanks all 39 bros. That's what I'm talking about, James. Look up Beam. Let's do it, DT. We're going to look up Beam real quick. Oops. Did not mean to do that. This is the one I wanted to click on. And you're not the only guy with Beam in here. Ooh, is it Old Rounder or... who else has Beam in here? Outdoor Smile. I forget who has Beam. Beam, decent discount on the day today. Back down below a $1 billion valuation on the day. Sitting at about 1.9 cents. On the week, it has touched 2.2 cents. 10% decline from those levels. On the month, it has been as high as 2.7 cents. And okay, it hasn't been out for very long. So Beam has done very nice to go from 0.004 to 2 cents. Basically, right now, a 4x gain and over a 5x gain when it was touching these all-time highs here. So Beam does have a beautiful graph. Beam is still very new, but the overall trend since it was listed on CoinMarketCap here has been, oh my gosh, dude. Has been overwhelmingly high. Hopefully you guys were listening and you had your eyes closed and you were picturing the graph that I was talking about. Sorry, I don't want to be rude, bro. Can you please, if you have some thoughts on Chronos token, thank you, man. Yeah, TDF Blast. What would be rude about that? I absolutely have thoughts on Chronos. Talk about that in 2 seconds here. If you haven't already, everybody go follow the honorarium page on X. Yes, man. Joel, Celebration was good. I'm assuming that was Christmas. Got Super Mario RPG for Switch, Spider-Man 2 for PS5, College Book on Nuclear Energy, and the Cambridge University Fundamentals of Astrophysics textbook. Those were the biggest. Oh my gosh. Frank, dude. Frank is a borderline genius, if not crossing that line into genius territory. Frank, very, very nice Christmas gifts, and I don't know if he's going to have more fun. Guys, what do you think? Is Frank going to have more fun with Spider-Man 2 and Mario, or is he going to have more fun with Fundamentals of Astrophysics textbooks? Let us know which one you would have more fun with. I'm choosing Mario and Spider-Man. A billion. Yeah. Oh, I found the address. Do you want to look it up? Yeah, Giovanni, post it. I mean, you can post it in here, and then we can look it up and see what it shows on Google here. Let's see here. Let's pull like Shiba Inu burning 99.9 or 99% of the supply. Yeah, man, big old banana. I don't have Beam, just a massive pile of lunk mostly. Okay, so somebody else then. Who was an all-rounder? Was it Bender? I know somebody else in here has Beam. Either that or they just really been wanting me to look at Beam for a while. All right, so look up Bitcoin price. Well, the Bitcoin price is at $42,000, right? Yeah, 42,167, as you guys can see in the bottom left-hand side of the screen right there. Bitcoin sitting at $42,150 per share. We're going to pull up Chronos really quick, though. Now, Chronos is a coin that I think during a bull market can absolutely go back up to $1. Okay, Chrono's sitting at 9.7 cents right now. It's down 2.5% on the day today. It's still been doing very well. It's up 2% on the overall week, but it's been floating around that 10-cent level, which is awesome to see for an entire month. But look at this recent gain from 5 cents to above 10 cents. But this is where things get interesting. So during the previous bull market, Chronos had ripped up, and it shows 90 cents here, but it was beyond $1 at some point. So Chronos ripped up beautifully, going from basically 2 cents back here to 90 plus cents. Now, you know, there's a lot of reason for the pullback in price. Number one, this is a very, very fast-paced game, and therefore shouldn't easily be able to sustain such a fast-paced game because people are going to be addicted to taking profits and they need to close out. But during this bull market, man, during this, everybody was signing up to cryptocurrency exchanges to get their hands on Shib, on Doge, on Bitcoin, on everything that was hitting all-time highs. And of course, when you sign up for platforms like Crypto.com, one of the main coins that they are going to promote to you is their native token. In this case, Crypto.com coin, or Chronos, if you guys call it Chronos now. So during the next bull market, I absolutely believe, BNB, as long as Binance is still around, is going to be doing phenomenally. KuCoin, KCS, as long as KuCoin is still around, is going to be doing phenomenally. Coinbase's stock, going to be doing phenomenally. Chronos or Crypto.com, going to be doing phenomenally because there's going to be so many millions of people signing up to use these exchanges that it's almost inevitable that their coins' prices will be going up. All right, it must be Bender. It must be Bender with his beam right there. All right, so let's see what we got on this one. All right, let's come back here for, just a second. This one. All right. Boom. Uh-oh, I hear something. Okay. Dark, bro! Dang Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro going directly through Streamlabs. Dark Bro says rug pulls happening left and right. People panicking over losing their money. Honorarium, HRM, sitting in the corner saying, I told you to buy Honorarium instead. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And yes, as far as I know, Honorarium is doing very, very well with no intentions of rugging, which is absolutely huge. So if you guys don't know about Honorarium, join the Discord. Talk to Dark Bro. Dark Bro started a coin, I believe, November 29th, and it has done nothing but show support so far. So very nicely done. Guys, I see in the bottom left-hand side of the screen that Bitcoin is coming down. We're going to pull that back up in 2 seconds. I want to jump over here really quick. So this does seem to be the, and this is, I didn't see the actual address, but this is the address that Giovanni just sent over in terms of where the address was for Bitcoin ETF token. Street View has us right here, and I don't know. I mean, this is what Google Street View is showing us as their address. I mean, I don't know what type of a building this is. Could absolutely be a legitimate office building with a little office up here somewhere. But, you know, knowing that I have no idea about anything in Singapore, I wouldn't really know what. And this doesn't look like a residential area. This doesn't look like it would be an apartment building. This does look like it would be an office building. At least that would be my guess. Right next to, I don't know what this is either. I mean, dude, this looks like a nice area, though. So, yeah, this does look like an office building with several different businesses in there. You got McCann World Group, you got Just Go, you got Pollux, whatever this one was, the McDonald thing. So it does look like a legitimate office building, but you know, you never really know what these guys got going on in there. You know what you should do? Giovanni, since you, oh my gosh, dude, Bitcoin falling pretty heavy right now. Since you know what that address is, go look at those other ones. If you want to look at the playlist I got a sponsored video playlist, so you can see all of those 4 or 5 videos that were sponsored there. Go see if those have similar addresses. I highly doubt that they would, but since you know about it, yeah, man, I would. I'd take a look at it. Clay, do you need a? I don't even know what this is, Kenneth. A moke tool? I don't know what that is. NP, we can look at Pepe real quick. It's McDonald's and say, dang, that's a McDonald's? Yeah, but that looks like an office building, though, right? It looks like an office building with several things, not just that address, right? Bitcoin, guys, down to the bottom left. Shiba Inu, wow, dude. Shiba Inu coin ripping down to 1,000 points from 1,080 this morning. Shiba Inu coin getting hit very hard over the last couple of minutes right there. Tanking down to 1,000 points per coin. Bitcoin touching 41,600, and it's currently throwing another purple on the screen. Dogecoin down 6% right now, touching 8.6 cents after floating at 9.3 cents all morning. Something's going on with the cryptocurrency space right now. The volatility is absolutely picking up. Well, Santa Claus may have come yesterday, but it seems as though the Grinch might be coming today. Bitcoin throwing a purple on the screen. You guys better be paying attention, especially if you have leverage positions out there right now. I'd be very careful with that. Good game. Kumbu, what's going on, man? Bender, I got Beam too. We got DT and Bender, both with Beam. Beam has a very nice graph, guys. Let's see. Yo, Clay, what's up? BTF token. I seen your video on it. Yeah, BroCloud TV, man. So, dude, right now it's looking extremely sketchy. We got Giovanni. Giovanni has and I don't have access to their website anymore. All right, I don't have access to their website anymore, same as everybody else. I don't know what is going on with Bitcoin ETF token right now. Their Twitter account still exists. It doesn't seem as though they're posting anything on it. But, dude, with like no access to their website, yeah, it's looking extremely sketchy right now. It's looking extremely sketchy right now. So I absolutely understand everybody's concerned with it. And Giovanni going out there. Giovanni actually doing some very good digging right now with what's going on there. Giovanni, man, make sure to check out those other addresses and let me know if you find any similarities, dude, because I might need to be pinning some comments to the top of those videos there in a second. Little office up there somewhere. Yeah, Outdoor Smile, man. You know, I have no idea, right? I have no idea. It does not seem as though it's good right now. Meme Combat. Yeah, Meme Combat was another sponsored video that I did a couple days ago. You guys make sure that you check the address on that one to see if it's similar to the address on Bitcoin ETF token, though. Every token has their whales. That's just the nature of cryptocurrency, especially newer ones. That's why you only invest what you're willing to lose in smaller tokens. Dark Bro, absolutely right on that one, man. Dark Bro, your whale, though. The 30% whale. They still the 30% whale? And Giovanni, thank you very much for going out there to check on that. Can you do research for everyone on Meme Combat? I'm getting a little worried about this token. Yeah, you know what? Inferiority. We can absolutely look into it a little bit more, man. Definitely. So let's, I don't have that website. I don't have that website up right now. Let's see if we can just Google it. Let's see if we can just pull it up on Google. All right, let's see here. All right, so we can Google it. So Meme Combat token at the moment. Let's see if they got to contact us anywhere down here. Contact at Meme Combat, yes. Giovanni, I don't know where or how you found that address, right? So with the audit on Meme Combat here, let's see what you guys are able to see with that one if it pulls up there. Hey, everybody, sorry I'm late. Hope everyone had an amazing Christmas. Tim, man, I hope you had an amazing Christmas as well. Tim, did you get your package on Saturday, or is it going to be coming today? Only reason I found the address because I Googled it before I was going to buy it, and Google saved it. Gotcha. All right, Giovanni, see if you can find one on this one, man. See if you can find one on Meme Combat here. Let's see, 30% whale. Forget that. DT says forget that. He doesn't want the 30% whale there. Clay, can you pull up Jasper T. Jowls? What? Maybe? I don't even know what that is. Is that a crypto? Are you guys just making up names right now? They hold 29%, whoever it is, but I keep telling people the larger it becomes, the less of an impact anyone. That is true, unless of course that whale decides to drop off on that one. But let's see what we got going on with Meme Combat right now. So far, they have raised, according to this, 4.6 out of the $5 million that they would be raising right there. Well, let's see what we got here. All right, that's still pulling up. But yeah, let's see if Giovanni can do any digging on that and actually find and see if they've got some scam address very similar to the sketchy address that we had in Bitcoin ETF token there. No fear, we need a good pullback. I'm in for the long term. Been holding all through the bear market, ready for big gains in the upcoming year. Franchise, man. You know, I don't know how big of a pullback we need, but this is a decent sized pullback here. This is nearly 10% in Shiba Inu coin from these levels right here. Just from this morning, this is nearly a 10% pullback, bouncing off this 1,000 point per coin mark, and it bounced off of it very nicely. Right now, the Bitcoin volatility is increasing greatly. Bitcoin does seem to be dropping at a very heavy pace. It's already down 3.6% on the day. 3.6% on a near $1 trillion coin, man. You're talking like $30 billion in market cap. It would be wiped out in a couple minutes here. Shiba Inu coin following suit, Dogecoin following suit as well, bouncing off this level of support down here at about 8.5 cents. Same as Shiba Inu coin bouncing off that 1,000 point per coin mark. The only good news that can result from coins dropping in price like this: number one, you can buy more. Number two, you can burn more. Those are the only two. Those are the only two good things that can come from a lower price coin there. Let's see. You made my girl's day today with the hoodie. Thank you. Richard, man. Richard, did you get it already today? Get your mail early in the day, dude, if you got that already. Holy smokes. Tried to email him and nothing yet. All right, inferiority. Good deal. Inferiority. Please, dude, with all of you guys doing a little extra digging like this, please keep us updated. Because the last thing that we would want to know is, you know, you've got some information and then you're unable to share it or whatever. Please keep everybody informed on anything that you guys hear about any of this stuff, right? Now, it's not to say one doesn't mean the other's going to happen and so on. But absolutely, stay as vigilant as possible with it. And let as many people know as possible that you can, man. That's why we're here, right? That's why we do these live streams. Make sure everybody's on the same page. Have you heard of Brett on Solana? Been pumping for the last couple of days. He's Pepe's guy. Only just below $2 million market cap, so it's got potential to pump and make some gains. Uncle B, I have not heard of Brett. We can check that out in a second here. Let's see. They would need to reach 10 million USDT. Meme Combat. Okay, that's what you got going on there. Timmy. Pat, man. Pat, it's so good to see your name in this chat. Seriously, dude. I hope you can come back more often. Everyone in this room that doesn't have honorarium should go throw $25 to $50 and get some, in my opinion. I think it's a good investment. I've gained $1,000 within like a week and a half on a $100 investment. Pudgy, that is absolutely incredible. And if you guys are unfamiliar with what honorarium is, Dark Bro, one of the bros in here, created honorarium, and it is this. Nope, that's Chronos. Dark Bro did not create Chronos. Dark Bro, it created honorarium, and it is this token right here. So if you guys are interested in it, you go out to Dex Tools, you can type in HRM, you can find honorarium, you can join Dark Bro's Discord or find honorarium token on Twitter. But this is the daily graph. It is on a little bit of a pullback right now, as it did have some pretty major sells on Christmas Eve. Over $1,000 sale right here. But honorarium on a little bit of a pullback and trying to gain some ground and make its way back up right there, if you guys are unfamiliar with it. Yes, I do an orange package, and it says Claybro in the corner. Very nice, Richard. Well, apparently you got that very, very fast. I'm glad you guys got it, and hopefully you enjoy it, man. Project leader for Meme Combat is Matt Whiteman, as a picture of himself and X account seems legit. Very good. And you know, the Giovanni, that's what I'm saying as well. Like, it does get a little scary when something happens like that, and you saw a lot of people promoting it, or you saw a lot of people doing videos or similar videos with these marketing agencies, right? So I do want to make it very clear, and I can't make it any clearer than, you know, there's a thing that pops up at the beginning of the YouTube video that says this was like a sponsored video, and then down in the description it says that this video was sponsored to bring awareness to Meme Combat or Sponge or Bitcoin ETF or Bitcoin Mind Tricks or TG Casino. I want to make it very clear, right? It's not necessarily a negative reflection on the marketing agency or a similarity between the two. So how it works is these projects, they go out there, they raise some money, they use that money, they pay the marketing agency keeps some of the money, they pay people to do videos and bring awareness to these projects, and so on. So just because one, or if, you know, two or whatever, seem to not pan out, it doesn't mean that the other ones are guaranteed to be bad either. So Giovanni, man, thank you very much for digging into that one as quickly as possible. And I know it's not a huge deep dive or anything like that, but the more information, the better, man. Meme Combat actually shows their entire development team. And we know also, right, that Sponge V1, it's been a legitimate meme coin for the last year. It came out when Pepe was ripping in, I believe, April, May of 2023 here. And when Pepe started ripping up, Sponge was ripping up. Of course, all of these tokens pumped up 100x, and then they've fallen back down 90% since then. So a lot of people have a bad perception of them because they were theoretically pumps and dumps. Well, dude, when you got billion-dollar coins like Pepe and Bonk and so on that rip up and fall back down, people who get in and chase, yeah, they might get burned. But it doesn't mean that it's like a token with bad intentions or anything. It simply means that traders are trading it. So Sponge V2 is another one that has been around for the better part of a year. It's just transferring over from V1 to V2. Let's see, trying to catch back up. Just my opinion, but good buying time for yeah, well, it is on a nice dip there, Pudgy. That's obviously, it's on a very nice dip, so it could be a very good buying time. Let's see. Make sure your gas tank has some gas in the tank. I used the MetaMask. It's on the Ethereum network for Meme Combat. Yes, inferiority. Very good, dude. One thing I like, I have not gone in and bought any of these Solana meme coins yet, but I'm looking at all of these, dude, and Solana being a gasless chain, dude, it makes a lot more sense. If you're not going out there and buying like $1,000+, if you guys are keeping the transactions a little bit smaller, these Solana-based meme coins or the BNB, I mean BNB you still pay a gas fee, but it's much lower. Dude, it makes it a lot easier for smaller transactions to be able to profit. What's going on with the crypto market, and what does Corgi AI do in the... I have no idea what Corgi AI does or will do. I know that it's been on an absolute tear over the last couple of weeks here. Crypto Cone Raoul, we can look at that in a couple seconds because we looked at that Friday. So we can pull that one up in a second here. But as far as what's going on with the cryptocurrency space right now, I don't know what's causing this extra volatility. Dogecoin, dumping off, but already coming back. Shiba Inu coin, dumping off, but already back up 3% from 1,000 points per coin to 1,030 points per coin. Bitcoin, kind of the same deal, but it hasn't recovered as much right here. So Bitcoin falling down to 41.6. Bitcoin's currently sitting at 41, almost 9. So these cryptos had a very volatile few minutes here. I don't know, about 10, 15 minutes ago. And now they do seem to be bouncing back a little bit. But nonetheless, we got to keep our eyes on them because volatility is absolutely increasing. Let's see. K-King. It was built on the Binance Smart Chain. It's very easy to use and much cheaper than Ethereum. It is very easy and it is cheaper. Giovanni, do you think Meme Combat is a scam? Giovanni, let him know. Let's see. But not going to lie, Bitcoin ETF sounded pretty good when hearing it. That's why I did some research. Yeah, and you know what, Giovanni? The other one that you actually got into, I mean, it does seem to be a very good one as well. And all of the milestones that they had set out, dude, all of those milestones, like that's the part that I really can't comprehend. If Bitcoin ETF token did end up being some sort of a dirty thief who screwed a bunch of people, man, number one, that is absolutely disgusting. But number two, it's absolutely stupid. Guys, I don't know if a Bitcoin ETF is going to be approved in January. But if it does get approved, like these other coins that are named Bitcoin ETF token, they're going to soar. I mean, look at how people mistook Ethereum Classic for Ethereum back during the previous bull market. Ethereum Classic ripped up simply on a mistake. People didn't know that they weren't buying the right Ethereum. People, when Bitcoin ETFs finally do get approved, people are going to be jumping into Bitcoin, yes, but they're going to be jumping into Bitcoin ETF tokens as well. So, yeah, dude, I think if it does turn out that Bitcoin ETF token was some sort of a dirty thief, man, yeah, I think that was an absolutely stupid decision because they could have made a killing on Bitcoin ETF token. End of the year portfolio goal, 22.5. And today I just added $700 to the long-term retirement portfolio. This is for 2024 Roth contributions, but didn't want to miss interest for the month being paid this week. Good news, I'm super close. Frank, dude, it's absolutely crazy that you're super close because you just crashed that 20,000 threshold, man. So absolutely good job, dude. I am messaging on X today. Help the brother out. K-King. Talking to Dark Bro, I would assume, right? Not gonna lie, Bitcoin it sounded pretty good. Yes, it did. K-Gang don't generally accept DMs. If there's any questions you have, you can join the Discord or message me on post on the official X page. There you go. I have not figured out how to work the Solana network. I am a fan of Solana. Yeah, so inferiority, it seems very similar to all of the other networks as well. I have not gone in and bought any of these little meme coins or any of these little tokens on Solana yet either. But same way that you would use PancakeSwap or Uniswap or whatever. If you come out to DEX Tools, you can see that a lot of these Solana tokens, and I'm just going to use this one as an example here. A lot of these Solana tokens, you can, oh man, where does it say buy on Radium? All right, it doesn't say that on this one. Let's see, this one. I don't even know where it says that now. I was saying that all weekend. Oh, pool, Radium. Here's where it says it. Did it say that on the last two? Yeah, it did. I just missed it. All right, so the pool is Radium. So you can come out here and very similarly to the way that you would use Pancake Swap, you would simply use Radium, right? And you can go through and watch a couple of these videos as well. But the same way that you would connect, either go through Trust Wallet or go through MetaMask, and you would connect your wallet to, say, Pancake Swap, you're going to be connecting your wallet to Radium here. And then you're going to be swapping for, let's just say you're swapping either Radium token or Solana for the meme coin that you want to buy. I mean, the same way you would go in and swap BSC for a token on PancakeSwap, or a PancakeSwap for a token on PancakeSwap, or Cake, they call it, I believe, on PancakeSwap, or Ethereum on Uniswap, things like that. You would go in and you would use an app like that. So it is a very, very similar experience. You're just simply using a different pool. Instead of PancakeSwap liquidity pool, you're using Radium liquidity pool. There are a couple others. I forget what the one's name is, but the other one is Orca. So if you come in there and you see some of these tokens, like you're wanting to buy Bonk, you want to grab Bonk, but you don't want to get it on a centralized exchange, this is another one. Orca Whirlpool is another liquidity pool that you can use in order to buy these Solana meme coins. So hopefully that helps as well. I know that's not like an in-depth tutorial or anything, but it is something that you can check out there. Beam is a gaming gem, and I believe it's still below $1 billion market cap, right? Can't receive all the credit on checking. I accidentally found YouTuber Net Crypto, showed me how to see if it was a scam. Actually talked about Bitcoin ETF token. All right, very, very good. Giovanni, man, and no, nobody's saying you're taking all the credit, but it is something that you should absolutely check out, guys. Invite to your Discord bio. Expired, sir. Yeah, stupid thing always expires, man. Do you want it? You guys want one, or are you talking about Dark Bros there? Let me know if you're talking about Dark Bros or if you're talking about my Discord. So, I mentioned Perpcoin a lot. Between investing and pulling profits, today at 5 a.m., I 5x'd my initial investment. Look at the 90-day and 6-month return. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat. You do mention Perpcoin a lot. I want to see what Tim's doing over here with... darn it. That was annoying. I didn't mean to click off of that. Tectonic, man. Tectonic falling a little bit today. I don't even know why it defaulted to Tectonic there. I think it is this one. Perpcoin right now. Golly. Oh, dude. 33% daily gains in Perp. Touching up almost $1.50 this morning. And already back down to $1.17. Dude, the weekly has gone from 70 cents to $1.17. The monthly, wow, dude, 66 cents to $1.17. And the yearly, or this basically 6-month graph here, going from 40 cents to $1.17. I want all of you guys to be very aware on this, though. This annual graph, okay, please note. Now, Tim, it's up to you if you've pulled all your investment or not. Obviously, you know how to make your own decisions. But back in March of 2023, tapping this area here at about $1.15, pulling back. And September, ripping up, tapping this $1.15, pulling back. Right now, touching this $1.15, it was actually much higher, but you're looking at basically a daily graph right here. Intraday, much higher. Pulling back already, or could be getting ready to pull back, especially knowing that it's already started to pull back off these highs right here. So, Tim, man, absolutely killing that trade right there. But please know that those annual levels of resistance are currently being tested. However, the all-time highs are much, much higher than the current levels. So, obviously, weigh your risks, weigh your rewards, all that good stuff. Let's see here. Just need Phantom or Soulfare wallet. I like Trust Wallet or MetaMask. And yeah, swap on Radium. Franchise, very good, man. Very good. Thank you very much for letting us know about the Phantom or Soulflare wallet as well. Sorry. All right. So basically, the people need to wait for the pre-sale to end for this meme combat token to see if it's a scam or not. Well, I mean, inferiority. Theoretically, there's no other way of determining that unless, of course, you have contact with the team and you believe in the team, right? Up until this point, what happens during these pre-sales is they go out there and they do. It's a very centralized process when you do these pre-sales. You go out there And the same as if I were to be selling you something, I collect everything, whether it be through smart contracts or not. I would collect everything during a pre-sale and then do the launch. It is much different than a what they call like a fair launch, where everything is just sent out to the liquidity pool and people can go buy it then. So it is a little bit different, yes, and it's much more centralized. Gotcha. Gone postal, man. I'm going to have to update that one hopefully in between the live streams here. Guys, what do we got here? Did I see Pat's name in the chat? I did not see Pat's name in the chat. Let's see. Are you hearing any news about a Japan XRP? Giovanni, I've not read anything on that yet, man. I'm playing with house money on perp. Gotta love the volatility. I'm keeping 12,000 perp for the next run. Boom! And I hope it rips up to that $20 stinking level, Tim. That is absolutely amazing, man. Let's see here. Shiba Inu was a pre-sale as well. I don't know if Shiba Inu was a pre-sale or not. Shiba Inu could have been a pre-sale. I was not into Shiba Inu coin in 2020. But yeah, it could have been a pre-sale, man. Let's see, guys. All right. It is past 1 o'clock. We're going to get off here for now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back at the 3 o'clock to... No, it's 4 o'clock live stream. What am I talking about now? I don't even know what time I go on anymore. It's been such a long Christmas break. I don't even know. Guys, get your names in the chat. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Appreciate all of you guys for being in here. Thank you very much for keeping the chat going, keeping the chat awesome, all of that good stuff. We'll do these shout-outs, and we will be back. I was going to say, Pat, if you're still in here, man, thank you very much for the green names today. Thank you very much for the super chat. And thank you very much for hanging out with us, man. I mean, it's awesome to have you guys in here, especially when you are so busy during your normal work schedules. It's nice to see you come in here on your days off. Let's see. Kenneth, man, enjoy your day. We have got Whit Reed. Frank, man, see you later. Giovanni, enjoy it, man. See you this afternoon. Richard, see you later, man. Tim, see you later. DT 2024, enjoy it. We got James Taylor. Thank you very much. You are a bro, dude. You got 46 friends in here right now. Inferiority, man. See you later. We got Tim. Enjoy it. Pudgy saying peace out to the diamond-handed Keek Shrimp Tacos. Yes. Pudgy, man. Enjoy your day. We got Dark Bro. See you later, Dark Bro. Dark Bro. Frank. Inferiority. We got Dark Bro. We got DT 2024. Next level. Giovanni. Thank you, man. Zoltan Bag. See you later. Kenneth. Giovanni. Tim, man. See you later. Next level. Pat. Pat is in here. I love it, dude. Pat, thank you very much for being in here on your day off, man. James Taylor. Enjoy your afternoon, man. We'll be back this afternoon. Dropped internet. See you later. Pudgy saying peace out to the diamond-handed king. Poop brains. We got Bender, Kenneth, Inferiority, Pat B. All of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope each and every one of you have an awesome day. Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Tim says we got ourselves a little bit of a... celebrating with a fist. Boom, fist, boom, fist, boom, fist, boom. Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that King Turkey celebration. Heading in. This is a very strange week. In between Christmas and New Year's, always seems to be a lot more relaxed than literally every other week of the year. So I do hope that you guys don't have to work too hard this week. I hope that you guys are looking forward to the new year. We got some New Year's resolutions coming up. I hope you guys keep them. And Tim, thank you very much once again. Pat, man, see you later. Dark Bro, Tim, Dark Bro, Gone Postal, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Dark Bro, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.